afraid we'll have to dispose of you. And don't come back.
I was playing Croc and I saw the little characters in cages, and frankly I thought, that looks not so bad.
Stop! Those candidates are phonies! You heard me!
This guy's a great big thumb.
Don't forget your stinking flag.
Homer, let us out. It's time to tear those aliens a third corn shoot. Homer.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't understand why we have to build a ray gun to aim at a planet I never even heard of.